once again, it's your girl Shula with more videos on home decor and home organization. So, in today's video, we are going to be decorating the guest room. As you all know, Mother's Day is around the corner, so I am expecting a really important guest. So, I am going to be decorating this guest room for my guest. But before we get into that, if you are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. Please do me a favor to click the like button if you like this video. That would motivate me to go ahead and produce more videos on home decor and organization. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get all notifications on my home decor and home organization video. Again, welcome and thank you. In today's video, I'll be introducing a style of decor I call Afro Boho Chic. I came up with this style because I came to realize that the Bohemian culture is kind of similar with the African culture. So I see that Bohemians have a lot of color and textures with their clothing and design, and that's the same thing with Africans. So I decided to merge these two cultures together to create and design my guest room. So if that is something you're interested to watch today, stay tuned. Hello again, everyone. So I am going to start by making up this bed with all white sheets, white bedspread, and a white comforter. To me, I prefer white because they look clean, and also it just gives that hotel vibe. So I already have a video on various ways you could make up your bed. So I'll go ahead and put that in the description below. So when I think of a guest room, I want my guests to feel comfortable because when I travel, it's either for pleasure or for work. So either way, I need a relaxing place to come back and rest. So I am going to give that relaxing vibe in this room. That's what I'm going for with the pictures and with the entire decor. If you've watched this far, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to click on the like button because this will go a long way to help promote my channel, and it would also help motivate me to create more content. So now it's getting really dark outside and I am using the sunlight. So I didn't want the video to be too dark. So I'm going to continue the next day. So I got this pillowcase from Five and Below. I think it was $5 each. But I just love how it feels. It's really soft and cozy. So for my throw blanket, I would use this beautiful orange fabric I got from Ross. When I saw this color spoke to me. And if you've watched my previous videos, you know that I always um, mix and match certain colors. So I went for a bold color. So this orange color is really bold, and I just like the contrast in the room with this color. I'm super excited because this wall decor was handmade by me. So if you would like to see how I made this, please let me know in the comment area and I will share the link with you. I feel like plants are very important in any space because to me it just brings life and joy or some kind of peace in that space. So I know my guests will be facing towards that plant. So I just needed the plant to be there. So I was trying to put my plants over there. Then I looked at myself on the camera and just decided to be goofy. But anyways, I had to use the other planter for height. I wanted this plant to be a little bit taller. So that's why I had to use two planters. This is gonna be the most favorite place for me in this room because it's next to the window, and I'm gonna put a chair there. I'm gonna put a footstool also, and then some books, and then also a throw blanket. So this place is just gonna be comfortable. So this is how the light looks right now, which is not that bad, but I'm gonna switch it out for this basket I got from Ross, um, for more cozy effect. I'm all done with decorating, so now let's see the before and after. So this is pretty much it. I have some flowers, as you can see, some sunflowers. Those are fresh flowers. I also have a gift basket at the window. I will share more of what is in there as we go along. I have on the bed, I also have some really motivational words of prayers on the wall, on those frames, and also some plants and candles. With candles, I do not light the candles because I know that some people do not like certain scents. So I have put various kinds of candles around for my guests to decide which one they would go for. And of course, I love this plant because it's just peaceful, and it just brings peace in the space for me. Another thing I really like is this poster of water. You know, water is calming and soothing, at least to me. So that's why I put that up there. And here I have my favorite spot in this room because it's close to the window. And I have some fresh flowers there. I have this gift basket with my favorite wine, some candles, some water, some chocolate, and Aisha Curry's Sweet July magazine, which is so empowering. I also have this really beautiful fresh sunflowers and some more books in case my guests needed to read some books. These are some of my favorite books, as you can see right there. This one on top is from my best friend, Dr. Gallagher Quinter. Do make sure to check that book out. It's really empowering. If you have watched this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do leave a comment and let me know which part of the room decor you enjoyed the most. Please do not forget to click on the like button and also on the subscribe button. Thank you again so much for watching. Bye bye.